Oh yeah, Diddy got a podcast.
Well, so this is one of my favorite poems I've written thus far. I call it my math poem because I literally wrote it when I was in like my calculus class in college. I remember being in that class and I was crying because I'm just like, I don't get this. Why do we got all these letters and these numbers mixed up with decimal points? Like, it was really hurting my soul. So I started writing this poem. So I'm going to do it and I hope y'all like it. If you don't, act like you like it. I never liked math based on the fact I'm naturally a creative person, but more so because they teach you that there's only one answer to every question. You're either right or you're wrong. But I'm guessing I envy it because it tries so goddamn hard to be perfect. Placing rules on your every move, structure on your steps, orders on your operations like, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please. Please for parentheses before excuse before my for multiplication before division before addition before Sally for subtraction. See, guessing I hate math because it acts as if the number line represents your lifeline. Like you either negative or you positive, and there's no room for in between because everybody knows that zero is equivalent to nothing, so you have to pick a sign. A side. Sides. This life ain't no equilateral triangle, so never expect all sides to be equal. See, I hate math because I can now calculate the relation between my age and the number of years my dad has been actively participatory in my life. Like of the 27 years, 2 months, 10 days, 2 hours, and 6 seconds, he's managed to be a part of 0. But I use those same calculations to try to boost myself up by saying shit like, well, he did send your child support check every 2 weeks for $52, and 52 times 2 equals $104 a month, and $104 a month times 12 months equal $1,248 a year, meaning my existence was practically as valuable as 10 TI-84 calculators. I'm tired of being a fucking calculator because I'm tired of adding shit up. Like the red flags I should have noticed but drove 60 miles per hour past on a daily. See, I hate math because it's always telling the truth, knowing that the truth hurts, and it's facts. Women lie and men lie, but the numbers don't lie. But what I've come to realize is that my favorite number is 0. It never adds or takes away from anyone, and it's never bothered by the fact that it cannot be divided or broken. I wish I was the number 0, unable to be divided or broken. See, I hate math because I don't get how they came up with the number after the decimal point. Like, what in the world does 10.201993 even look like in real life? And who came up with that? See, I'm tired of doing examples on the board only to go home and still get it wrong. Like how God can make examples of us, but like dummies, we keep repeating the same mistake. Never fully learning from each other because supposedly experience is the best teacher. See, I'm tired of math because I can now calculate the number of minutes between text messages and phone calls, as if it somehow validates how much or how little somebody likes you. See, I'm tired of math because it's full of numbers, constantly serving as a reminder that for the past 3 years and the 7 to come, my 19-year-old brother will be treated as a number, inmate 158463, stripped of his identity. But one day my caged bird will be set free. See, I'm tired of math because how much you make determines how far you go or how far you grow or the extent of your own happiness. See, I'm tired of math because it makes me mad. It makes me think the best thing my dad could do for me is make me a beneficiary on his life insurance policy. As if adding $100,000 to my life and subtracting 1 could somehow multiply my happiness, but I'm thinking it would only leave me feeling more divided. See, I'm tired of math because I'm tired of trying to fucking solve for X and Y. Or maybe I'm just tired of people asking me about my X and Y. Like, why my X couldn't accurately calculate my value. But I'm guessing our set of coordinates were never the perfect ordered pair. See, I hate math because I'm naturally a creative person, but more so because they teach you that there's only one answer to every question. You either right or you wrong. Thank you.